our dear shepherds here at the Robertsons that Marinas, the Luzon Institute Foundation Incorporated is located at Block E4, Laboratory Environment Simon, Tasmania City, Cavite. We also have branch Block 10, Ruby Rose, at San East Cavite. So ayan, so sa lahat naman dito, if you would like to inquire to our school, we will do so. So we have discounts, promos, and scholarships. So hurry, available now. So for more information, you can call or text 0989215792 or 0920-915.
Mabanggit naman ang address namin. Ay ma'am, thank you ah. Congrats. Mabanggit na ito, sir. Ilalagay natin sa thumbnail. Pati address, tsaka yung ano.
So again, we would like to acknowledge the Gundong Lights and Sound Mobile Disco Laser Lights and Sounds located at Block N3, Lot 8, Door 2, Barangay Emmanuel, Brigada 1, Dasmariñas City, Cavite. So you can send your email address to thegundong.mobiledisco@yahoo.com. They also have contact number 0915-534-6945. You may look for Mary Rose P. Lunshaw. So to all the faculty and staff of DRCI,